guys, welcome back. Today I thought I would film something a little bit different that we haven't done on this channel before, but I thought it might be quite good. I'm going to do clean my wheelchair with me because you might want to see how I clean it. You might want to see the fact that I don't normally clean it. It's not something that I do often. But we really should maintain these things because they help us get out, they help us live our lives independently. If they go wrong, then we all know how much they cost to repair, and we also know how much that they cost to get new ones. So yeah, it's really a good idea if we take care of them and look after them as best we can. I understand that sometimes it can be quite a horrible task to do, because I know I used to feel very resentful towards my wheelchair, so why the hell would I want to clean it when I hate it so much? But as I said, it is important that we clean them because they do give us our independence, and hopefully over time you will grow with that acceptance, and it won't be so hard, and hopefully by watching my channel my videos will help you. So along with cleaning my wheelchair, I thought I would also talk about some of my favourite things that I have been loving throughout March. So I'm going to do two things at once, which is not something that I do often. So as you might be able to see, I'll just get my phone and do some phone footage. So as you can see now, I'm showing you the wheels. They are disgusting. And also these rims, for some reason, they give off a really dark like dust, and my hands are black by the end of the day in my wheelchair. I think I've put some little shots up on Instagram of that, and then we're really mucky and dusty all in the frame as well. Grayso, what's that? So yeah, it's looking quite disgusting. I dread to think what it's like under the cushion. Okay, let's get into this. So today I have put my wheelchair on a picnic blanket. It's one of those fold-up picnic blankets. This one is from Marks and Spencer. So on this side is normally the side that you would sit on, which is the fabric side, and then this side keeps it from the damp coming through. I put it on this so that we can brush all of the dirt off and protect my lovely rug. So the items that I have bought to clean my wheelchair today, I thought a dustpan and brush might come in useful, so we brought him along. I have got some disposable wipes. Also got some antibacterial surface spray and a damp cloth. So that is my equipment. So if you're not able to sit on the floor, then you could potentially sit on the sofa and do it that way and take the wheels off. I've managed to get down, and I think it's going to be easiest for me to film like this. I'm not going to be leaning this way, so it's going to be better on my back. So the first thing I'm going to do is dust the wheels. So as you can see, there's all this dry mud, and I think it's a lot easier trying to clean off dry mud than horrible wet mud. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to dust these or brush them. Right, so as I'm casually dusting my chair. Right, so my first favourite items are these, and they are little vials of aromatherapy oils that have like a rollerball on them, and what you can do is you can put them on your temples, on your ears, and in the nape of your neck. And I've got a de-stress one and I've got a clear head one, and the de-stress one smells like cedarwood and geranium, and it's a very calming scent. So I rub that on before I go to bed, take a few deep breaths, and it just really helps me relax. So I'm just going to spray my wheels now. I bought the oils for when I did my TED talk to try and calm me down and calm my nerves down, and they worked really well. But I've been loving just putting them on at night and practicing a little bit of meditation and a little bit of mindfulness as well. And I thought maybe that you would like to hear about them as well. So I have put the spray on the wheels, And I'm just going round the wheels, making them look all nice. And I'm cleaning the spokes. So, yeah. Cleaning the spokes. Oh, I'm cleaning in here as well. Another thing that I have been loving on the same sort of lines of being calm and relaxed and things is Rescue Remedy. And I'm sure you may have heard of it. It's got all sorts of wonderful herbs and things in it. And it comes in a little vial. Gosh, look, I'm getting filthy. And then you can drop a few drops onto your tongue, and it just helps calm your nerves, calm you down, helps you feel less anxious. I wouldn't say like I suffer with any sort of anxiety. Sometimes at night though, I can feel a bit sort of anxious about things, as I'm sure we all do. But I'm in no way sort of, you know, needing any medication or anything like that. And again, I actually bought the Rescue Remedy for when I did my TED Talk. And yeah, I really like using it. Looking so much better. So now you can see that they are looking a lot better. All in there. All nice and clean. Get on with the next wheel. So I think this little method works quite well. Just brushing off the excess mud. So I will now talk about my next favourite product that I have been loving. And that is this. It is Hard Working Hand Cream Protector, and it's the Body Shop Hemp Hand Cream, and it's insane. It is so thick and so creamy and so nourishing. Now, I'm sure those of you out there who, you know, we have to use our hands a lot, and when we have to use our wheelchairs as well, I don't know what it is, maybe it's all of the dust and all of the yuckiness on like the rims and stuff, but oh, my hands are disgusting. They're like little shriveled up prunes, so dry and chapped and just disgusting. But I've got that hand cream and it is absolutely fantastic. Every night you can put it on, maybe even you can build up and then only do it every other night because it's so strong and nourishing. And you can also put on the cotton gloves. So put it on, nice thick layer, then put the cotton gloves on and then go to sleep. The heat helps the moisture absorb into the hand even further. I don't like that though, so I just put it on as normal. I don't know, was white a good choice for the spokes? Of course it was. They're on with the frame. Should I take the cushion off? Oh, ow! Got bad shoulders. It's a bit of grass. It's rather jolly. There's a bit of grass in here as well, but actually not too bad. Okay, so I think for the frame I'm going to use some Dettol wipes. Gotta love a good wipe. The smell makes me feel happy. Okay, so on with the next product that I have been loving. That is the Be Unique Purple Shampoo. And I have made a whole video dedicated to the purple shampoo. And honestly, since I have started using it, I have had so many comments of people asking me, oh, you had your hair done? It's so much brighter. Which is really nice to know. It's like, oh no, I've just been using this new shampoo. And so anyway, there you go, the proof of the pudding. It is really good. It's so strong that they recommend that you wear gloves when you use it. And it's really potent. Woo, this is hard work. Now the next thing that I want to talk to you about is what I have been loving watching recently, is the Assassination of Gianni Versace, and it's a series made, and it's called the American Crime Series. So they did O.J. Simpson last year with David Schwimmer and John Travolta. And then in this one, I don't actually know of any of the actors, but it is so well done. So it's a dramatisation of the assassination of Gianni Versace, and it starts off right at the end, right where he gets assassinated, and then he's laid to rest, and then it goes backwards by 1 week sort of at a time, slowly building up to when it all first started. So it's a bit hard to follow because they go back in these chunks, and it doesn't go right back to the start, it just goes back in these stages. But it is so well done, and I looked up the actors against the real life people who were involved in the assassination story, and the way that they look so similar, it's absolutely incredible. So good, really sad as well. But so far I'm really enjoying it. I think there's only been 4 episodes, and that's available to watch on the BBC iPlayer. But yeah, I highly recommend watching it, and you know, if you can binge watch it as well on your laptop or whatever, even better. Who doesn't love binge watching? Let me know what you have been loving watching recently, or what maybe I should give a go, because we're always up for watching new things. I have to say, I am a bit of a telly addict. We really do love our telly, and we do watch a lot of telly. I'm just tipping it upside down, and now I've just found a load more dirt under here. I'm just cleaning this up, but by flipping it upside down, yes, I have found a lot more dirt. But we are nearly there, and so this has really taken me 15 minutes. Pretty much done. I've just got to do the casters, which I'm not looking forward to because there is something really weird on them. But the last thing that I have been loving this month recently, and that I think will be a great rendition to your collection of things, is this, one of the chilli bottles. This is actually made by a brand called Ikua, I think. And it's one of those bottles that keep your drinks hot for 12 hours, cold for 24 hours. So if you're in a hot country, these are great, and if you're in a cold country, they're great as well. So you can keep your hot drinks with you, and you can keep them warm, because we can't be all cool and carry our takeaway Starbucks mugs and be like, yeah man, we would spill it. I don't know about you, but I would just spill it all over myself, and I wouldn't be able to wheel myself, and it would just be a nightmare. But you can decant it into one of these, and then you've got your drink on the go. Okay. So I've got some teeny tiny nail scissors. I don't know if I should... I'll clean them first, actually, because I don't like the look of them. You're offending me. Who's had poo on their wheels? And then on their hands? Okay, let's see if we can get in there and... Whoa.
I'm using the scissors to cut all the hair and fluff out of the wheel bearings.
Lifestyles of the rich and famous. They're always complaining. Okay, we are done. It is looking so much better. Need it. Ta-da! We are done. Don't forget, if you liked this video, then you may enjoy watching my how to choose a manual wheelchair, where I talk about my wheelchair more in depth if you want to know a little bit more about it. And also, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Always feel free to drop me a comment of any video ideas or things you want to see in the future. And I really do appreciate you, and thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video, where I'm going to be talking about all of my bags and how I hold and carry things. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Bye!